This video is going to show how to configure shape parameters with OrCAD X to ensure spokes and thermal reliefs are present and properly sized. Too much copper surrounding a pad can cause the pad to act as a heat sink, preventing uniform solder reflow and increasing the risk of cold solder joints, tombstoning, and voiding. On the other hand, small thermal reliefs can lead to open connections, lifted pads, and power starvation. OrCAD X allows you to configure shape parameters and modify spokes and thermal reliefs globally to prevent cold solder joints and ensure optimal power integrity. Start by opening the provided design in OrCAD X. The procedures shown in this video can be done in OrCAD X PCB Designer or OrCAD X Presto. Select the rightmost 3.3 volt plane on the bottom power layer. Several through pins on this plane failed to connect due to insufficient area. The Properties panel is populated with properties for this shape. In the Properties panel, scroll down to the Thermal Relief section and configure thermal relief settings. Here you can configure thermal reliefs for surface mount and through-hole pins, as well as vias. Select the through-hole option. Set the type to 8-way connect to allow more spokes to connect to through pins if necessary. Enter 1 for the minimum number of connections. To change the spoke width, select Constraint plus Oversize from the Width drop-down. This will override the spoke width to be the defined constraint width plus an oversize buffer. Enter the desired buffer. In this example, we will increase the width of each thermal relief by 0.254 mm. View the reliefs in the PCB canvas. Previously unconnected pins are now connected to the plane with wider thermal reliefs. Thermal relief and shape parameters can also be configured globally. To do this, select Setup Design Parameters Editor from the menu. The Design Settings window opens. Select Shapes from the list on the left to configure shape settings. Under Thermal Reliefs, select 8-way Connect from the through-hole pins drop-down. Set the minimum count to 1 and the maximum count to 4. Set the thermal width to plus oversize and enter the desired oversize width into the text field. To push the changes to all shapes in the canvas, select Update All Shapes and close the window. View the power and ground planes. All thermal reliefs are wider and diagonal reliefs are incorporated where required. Quickly configure shape parameters to ensure robust and solderable connections to power and ground planes with thermal reliefs in OrCAD X. For more tutorials, visit us at resources.ema-eva.com and don't forget to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.